Hello students, in this video I am going to tell triple angle formula of trigonometry. Clear? Because before this video means in video number 19 already I have told double angle formula and half angle formula. Clear? But in this video I am going to teach triple angle formula. Triple means sin theta is equal to what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And cos theta is equal to what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Clear? And tan theta is equal to what? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Clear? Once more here, sin theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, cos theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, tan theta is equal to what? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Clear? And if we have to find sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta, with the help of this formula we can find that value. Understood? Then now see one question here. If cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5, cos beta is equal to 4 by 5, find the value of cos alpha minus beta by 2, where alpha beta to be acute angle. Clear? Then already I have told sin theta is equal to what? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Clear? Then already we know this one. We have to find cos alpha minus beta by 2. Understood? Alpha minus beta by 2 means cos alpha by 2 minus beta by 2. Understood? Now we have formula cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is equal to what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Clear? This formula we have. First of all, we have to change. We have to write the value of this formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A and sin B. Understood? Cos A minus B means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now cos alpha is there. Clear? With the help of this formula, cos alpha is equal to what? 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Clear? Cos alpha means 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 transfer this side. 3 by 5 plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. 5 plus 1. 5 into 1 5 plus 3 is equal to what? 8 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. Then cancel here. 4 by 5 is equal to cos square alpha by 2. Therefore cos alpha by 2 is equal to what? Under root 4 by 5, that is 2 by under root 5. Understood? With the help of this formula already got cos alpha by 2. Clear? Now how we can find sin alpha by 2? With the help of this one, since sin square alpha by 2 is equal to what? 1 minus cos square alpha by 2. 1 minus cos square alpha by 2 is equal to what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 5 into 1. 5 minus 4. 1 by 5. Therefore, sin alpha by 2 is equal to what? Under root 1 by 5 means 1 by under root 5. Clear? But we have to find cos beta by 2 and sin beta by 2 also. Clear? Now cos beta is equal to what? Cos alpha by 2, sin alpha by 2. Now we have to find cos beta by 2 means same formula we can apply here. Then 2 cos square beta by 2 minus 1. Cos beta means what? 4 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square beta by 2 minus 1. 4 by 5 plus 1 is equal to what? 2 cos square beta by 2. 5 into 1, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 by 5 is equal to 2 cos square beta by 2. This 2 divide by this side. 9 by 10 under root cos beta by 2. Therefore, cos beta by 2 is equal to 3 by under root 10. Understood? So one more value here. This value also and this value. Now we have to find sin beta by 2 also. Sin square beta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos square beta by 2. Cos square beta by 2 is equal to what? 9 by 10. Clear? 9 by 10. It means 9 by 10 is equal to 10 minus 9 means 1 by 10. Therefore, sin beta by 2 is equal to what? 1 by under root 10. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Already okay? Got 4 value. Now, all this value going to put in this formula. Cos alpha by 2. Where is cos alpha by 2? Here. 2 by under root 5. 2 by under root 5 into cos beta by 2. Cos beta by 2 means here. Here. 3 by under root 10. 3 by under root 10 plus sin alpha by 2. Sin alpha by 2. Sin alpha by 2 means 1 by under root 5. 1 by under root 5. Clear? Into sin beta by 2 under root 10. Now 6 by under root 50 plus 1 by under root 50 taking us here, then 7 by under root 50. Now this is answer. This value is cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Understood? Don't confuse, don't think it's very lengthy how we can do. Totally 90% based on formula. Cos alpha and cos beta both are given. We have to find cos alpha minus beta by 2. Very simple. First of all, we have to break these questions into separate form. Like cos alpha minus beta by 2 means alpha by 2 minus beta by 2. Then cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. With the help of cos alpha, we have to find alpha by 2 and sin alpha by 2. Clear? With the help of cos beta, we have to find cos beta by 2 and sin beta by 2. After that, we can put all this value in this formula. We can calculate, answer will come. Understood? Okay. Second question. In this question, given that sin square beta is equal to sin alpha cos alpha, and we have to prove that cos 2 beta is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Understood? Here both are important. What are given and what you have to prove. Both are very important. We have to prove cos 2 beta. First of all, sin square beta we have to change into cos 2 beta. Clear? Understood? Then since sin square beta is equal to sin alpha cos alpha, 2 sin square beta is equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Now cos 2 theta is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Clear? We have formula in the terms of sin theta of cos 2 theta. Now 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now you see In the place of 2 sin square beta, we can write 1 minus cos 2 beta. 1 minus cos 2 beta is equal to what? Sin 2 alpha. You see here? Now here 1 minus sin 2 alpha is equal to cos 2 beta. Here. Therefore, cos 2 beta is equal to 1 minus sin 2 alpha and 1 plus cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta means second quadrant. Cos 90 plus theta means what? Minus sin theta. Clear? Minus sin theta means 1 minus sin 2 theta. We can write 1 plus cos 90 plus 2 theta. Then now suppose this is theta. Cos theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 cos square 90 by 2 means what? 45 degree. 2 alpha by 2 means what? Alpha. And here cos 2 beta. Therefore, cos 2 beta is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Understood? You can see here cos 2 beta is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Hence proved. Understood? In this question, if sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, find the value of sin 3 alpha, cos 3 alpha and tan 3 alpha. Understood? First of all, find sin 3 alpha is equal to what? Sin 3 alpha. Already I have given sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is formula for sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Therefore, sin 3 alpha is equal to what? 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. Now we can put value 3 sin alpha is equal to what? 3 by 5 minus 4 sin cube alpha means what? 3 by 5 whole. Understood? Then 9 by 5 minus 4 into 3 3 are 9 3 are 27 upon 125. Now here 125 LCM. Clear? 125 divided by 5, 25. 9 into 25 minus multiply 4 into 7, 28. 4 into 2, 8, 9, 10. Clear? After that, multiply. Clear? 9 into 5, 45. 5 carry 4. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Minus 108 upon 125. 15 minus 8, what? 7. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. And 25. This is value of what? Sin 3 alpha. Understood? For second question, cos 3 alpha is equal to what? 4 cos q alpha minus 3 cos of alpha. Because we have formula also here, cos 3 theta is equal to what? 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos of theta. With the help of this formula, this value we can write here. Now here, only sin alpha is given. First of all, cos alpha is equal to what? Under root 1 minus sin square alpha. Under root 1 minus alpha means 3 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 9 by 25. 16 by 25 is equal to what? 4 by 5. Understood? Very simple here. We can put 4 into 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into 4 by 5. 4 into 4 into 4 16 into 4 64 upon 125 minus 12 by here 5. Clear? Then 125 LCM. After that 4 into 4 16, 4 into 6 24 and 25 minus 25 means 12 into 25. Clear? After that you can simplify, value will come. Understood? Okay, calculations you have to do only. And how we can find tan 3 alpha? Very simple. We can use formula. Either we can 3 theta is equal to what? Sin 3 alpha upon cos 3 alpha. Then value will come. Either we can put the formula. Which formula? 3, because we have formula here. Tan theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Means here 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha upon 1 minus 3 tan square alpha. This is also formula here. Either with the help of sin 3 alpha upon cos 3 alpha we can find tan 3 alpha, or 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha upon 1 minus 3 tan square alpha. Understood? Then like this one we can do question. This is last question of this video. Calculate without using tables tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree and tan 80 degree. Understood? This is very important question here. Then 20 degree, this 40 we can write what? 60 minus 20 degree. Understood? Here 60 plus 20 degree. Any problem? No. Now 20 degree, tan A minus tan B and tan A plus B is equal to what? Tan is cos 60 minus tan is cos 20 upon 1 minus tan is cos 60 degree and tan is cos 20 degree. Clear? Understood? Why? Because we have formula tan A minus B into tan A plus B is equal to what? Tan square A minus tan square B upon 1 minus tan square A and tan square B. This is formula. Clear? Then tan 60 is equal to what? Under root 3. Square means only here 3 minus tan square 20 degree whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square 20. Now this tan 20 degree multiply inside bracket. Clear? 3 20 degree minus upon 1 minus 3 tan square 20 degree. Because we have formula tan theta is equal to what? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Understood? Tan theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 3 tan 20 degree minus tan cube 20 upon 1 minus 3 tan square 20 is equal to what? Is equal to tan 3 into 20 degree. Understood? Is equal to what? Tan 60 degree is equal to what? Under root what? 3. Clear? Once more. Tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 80 degree. Tan 20, this value 40 means what? We can change into two parts. 60 minus 20, 80 means 60 plus 20. Tan A minus B into tan A plus B is equal to tan square A minus tan square B upon 1 minus tan square B. Tan square 60 minus tan square 20 upon 1 minus tan square 60 tan square 20. Tan 60 means what? Under root 3. Square means 3 minus tan square 20 whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square 20. Now this value multiply inside bracket in numerator. 3 tan 20 minus 10 cube 20 degree upon 1 minus 3 10 square 20 degree. Now we have formula 3 tan theta minus 10 cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, that is tan 3 theta, that is tan 3 20, that is 60 degree is equal to under root 3. Understood? Now this is homework question. Question number 1. If 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x, then prove that 2 cos theta is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Second question express first part cos 6 alpha in the terms of cos 2 alpha, second part cos 2 theta in the terms of cos 4 theta. Evaluate. Clear? 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9 means we have to simplify 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. Understood? Then one thing I am going to tell, please you maintain all the formula, learn all the formula, otherwise without formula we can't solve any single questions, because trigonometry is very important. It will use in differentiation and integration. Means calculus question also very important. In calculus question, maximum formula trigonometry use. Okay, that's why it is very important. Please learn, maintain all the formula, and thank you very much.